So when we have that sort of code, x equals 1, while x is less than 4, and I'm going to have print the value of x also. And then we have the increment. So if I run this, there we go. Takes a second for Python to fire up for the first time here. But we've got, this is true, 1, 2, 3. It never gets to 4 because once it gets to 4, it's no longer true. So if I say, let's change this to x is less than or equal to 4, then it will print all the way through the fourth time, and it will print 4. The other interesting thing here is, if I have the increment before it prints, then I get a different result, right? I get different numbers. And the interesting thing here is that it increments for the last time before it prints number 5. It goes 2, 3, 4, 5. So the only reason I do that little demo of putting the increment before the print statement is because I want you to realize that the order of things that you do inside a loop, especially when you're using a variable to end the loop, can have unexpected results based on the order that you put them in the loop. So you really have to think it through, and you want to test sometimes your loops and your logic in an isolated way. Maybe open up a new Python program and just put that loop in there and play around with it so you can see what you're doing. Because as part of a more complex program, that could be a little tricky to debug.